Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce the number of HTTP requests on your Shopify store. Every time someone visits your website, their browser requests files such as images, CSS, JavaScript, fonts, and videos. The more requests your store makes, the longer it can take to load. Reducing unnecessary HTTP requests is a great way to improve your store's speed, enhance the customer experience, and even boost your core web vitals. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then click Customize on your live theme. Review your homepage and look for sections you don't really need. Multiple slideshows, featured collections, image galleries, videos, and promotional banners all require additional files to load. Removing sections that don't add much value can reduce the number of requests your store makes every time someone visits. Next, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Review the currently installed apps on your store. Many apps load their own JavaScript files, CSS files, fonts, or tracking scripts. If you find apps you no longer use, uninstall them. Fewer apps usually mean fewer HTTP requests and faster page loading. If you've added custom tracking tools or third-party widgets, review them as well. Live chat widgets, social media feeds, review widgets, and marketing scripts often load resources from external servers. Only keep the tools that are essential for your business and remove anything that's no longer providing value. Another easy improvement is optimizing your images. Before uploading new product photos or banners, resize and compress them so they load quickly. Modern Shopify themes also support efficient image loading, helping reduce the amount of data downloaded when customers browse your store. You should also avoid uploading multiple versions of the same image or displaying duplicate content across your homepage. Reusing optimized media instead of adding unnecessary graphics helps reduce both page weight and the number of files visitors need to download. If your theme includes several custom fonts, consider limiting the number you use. Every additional font family or font weight creates extra requests that browsers must download before displaying your content. Sticking with one or two font families is usually enough for a clean and professional design. After making your changes, open your storefront in an incognito or private browser window. Browse through your homepage, collection pages, and product pages to make sure everything still loads correctly and that no important functionality has been affected. Next, run your website through Google PageSpeed Insights or another website performance testing tool. Compare the results before and after your optimizations. You may notice fewer network requests and faster loading times, especially on mobile devices. As your store grows, make it a habit to review your homepage, installed apps, and third-party integrations every few months. It's easy for extra features to accumulate over time, and regular cleanup helps keep your store lightweight and responsive. Finally, remember that reducing HTTP requests is just one part of overall performance optimization. Combining this with optimized images, lazy loading, efficient themes, and fewer unnecessary apps will produce the best results for your Shopify store. And that's it. That's how to reduce the number of HTTP requests on your Shopify store. By simplifying your homepage, removing unused apps, limiting third-party scripts, optimizing media, and testing your site's performance regularly, you can create a faster shopping experience for every visitor. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.